How to reset Windows 11. Resetting our Windows 11 computer is fairly simple. Simply open up the settings application and this is the type of information you will see. On the left hand side, you could simply go to the option that says system. Once you go to system, here you'll find different options right here, right? Now under the system options, one of the options you'll find there is known as recovery. So you obviously want to go to recovery option. Here it will give you some of the recovery options that says reset this PC. All you have to do is just click on reset this PC. It will ask you whether you want to choose your files or remove everything. Now I would recommend you that if your files are not important, just delete everything that is on your computer, because sometimes this might cause lags. Otherwise, if you have a hard drive, make sure to back up your files there and remove everything. You can also choose the keep my files option, which will only reinstall the Windows, but removing everything will completely reset it. And once you've done that, you should be able to clear out your system. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically reset Windows 11. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.